Renhotec M8 series circular connectors. The product features 2 connection modes, threaded locking and quick plug and pull, catering to diverse application requirements. 8mm ultra-compact outer diameter design, designed in accordance with IEC 6100762 standard, providing a stable and reliable connection solution for narrow spaces. Available in 3 to 8 pins, the number of pins depending on the model. The product supports a rated current of 1.5A or 3A, and a rated voltage of 30 volts, 50 volts, or 60 volts. The M8 connector supports 3 types of coding, A, B, and D. The Renhotec M8 series includes various types such as straight plugs, curved plugs, embedded plugs, formed wire harnesses, 90 and 180 PC, B board sockets, and cable sockets. These come in a wide range of forms and are compatible with a large number of industrial equipment interfaces, ensuring high compatibility. The Renhotec M8 series meets IP67, IP68 waterproof standards and withstands vibration frequencies from 10 to 500 Hz, amplitude of 0.35 millimeters, and maximum acceleration vibration test of 50 meters per second squared. It also operates reliably within a wide temperature range of -40 degrees Celsius to +85 degrees Celsius. The Renhotec M8 series is specifically designed for industrial automation, aerospace, test and measurement, communication, and medical equipment. With robust durability and reliable performance, it ensures seamless collaboration among devices and secure interconnection solutions.